In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually override your Dahua AirShield Intruder alarm when you have an active fault on the system. For example, when a door detector is not fitted correctly on its bracket. Option 1 is with the keypad. First, you want to press the disarm button to wake it up, and then put in your code to arm in.
Arming failed.
The yellow light signifies that there's an active fault, and so does the long bleep. And then all you need to do is put in your code and press arm again.
Armed with faults.
And now it's armed with the fault. Option 2 is with your ID card. First, wake it up by pressing the disarm button,
Arming failed.
and that has signified that there's an active fault. All you need to do, tap your card again, and now it's armed. Option 3 is the fob. To do this, you need to press the arm button,
Arming failed.
and the red light signifies that there is a fault. Press it again,
Armed with faults.
and it's armed with the faults. The final method is with the app. It's very simple. Press to arm it,
Arming failed.
and it will tell you what the fault is. Press arm anyway,
Armed with faults.
and that's all you need.